In this tutorial, we will continue with the dependency injection and apply our unit tests. The first thing we need to do is add a new test target. To do that, click on click on File, New, and then Target. Within the filter, just type in Test, and then select Unit Testing Bundle. Accept the default name, and then click on Finish. And then open up your new created file, your unit test file, that's within your target. Delete the template code. Enter the following: act testable, import MVVM, and then we select the name of the project that we want to import. Next thing we need to do is to create our class. Product view model test etc test case. In this test, we'll be testing the product view model to make sure we can add an object to the product view. Function test product view model initialization and now we need to create a sample product equals product and we pass in the following values to the initializer. iPad. The image or thumbnail will be image 1. The next thing we need to do is to create a product view model instance using the sample product. Let view model equals product view model. Sample product. So we're passing the new instance that we created on line 15. We pass it to the product view model. And then now we have access to the properties and attributes of the view model. And now we can verify to see if the product view model matches the same product that's in the view model. Let's see, CT results equals view model product sample product. To run our test, we can just click on the diamond sign, which is here on line 13. and then we should see the message success. It's compiling at the moment. As you can see, it includes a tick. That means the test was successful. So all we really done here is just to verify that the product property in the view model matches the sample product, which all happens on line 19. We will create another test to test for all product URLs. So we type in function test for all product URLs. Let all product URL equals to URL dot for all products. Next thing we need to do is to define the expected URL string, which is https dummy json.com.products. And now we need to verify that the actual URL matches the expected URL string. We just type in xct assert equal all product URL dot absolute string is equal to expected URL string. So now let's run the test to see if the test passes or fails. The test passed. To make the test fail, all we have to do is to change our expected URL string. So if you put, like for example, a 1 at the end, or just change it. Just change the endpoint, however you're going to change it. Just put any dummy data there. Now, if I run the same test for all products URL, the test will fail. And the reason why the test fails is because the expected URL string, which is this, on line 26, isn't equal to the URL dot for all products. So if I jump to the definition, you will see this is the string that it's expecting, which is just https dummy json.com/products. But here we use products with 1 plus these random characters. So to make the test pass, all we have to do is to make sure that the URL is the same URL that we're expecting. I'll rerun it now, and now the test will pass. As you can see, the test passed. And if you just want to run all tests all at once, you can just click on the diamond sign on line 11 that has, or is near the class definition. Just click on this one here, and it will run all the tests within this class. So you don't have to select each test manually. So just click it. And that runs all the tests. In next week's tutorial, we will test the products view model. And the purpose of that test is to enable the products view to be tested with an array of products within the unit test. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.